Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is episode 2 of the How to Become a Pro Makeup Artist. Now, in the last video, we talked all about how to create a nighttime skincare routine. So in episode 2, we are going to talk about how to create a daytime routine. Now, like I said in episode 1, for the morning routine, I don't really like to cleanse the face in the morning, but for this video I am. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse the face with the ITK Milk to Foam Gentle Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers. I really like this one. It's great and it's really gentle. And I'm going to go in and use the Ariel Luna 4 with it as well. These things on so I don't get my arms or sleeves, if I'm wearing long sleeves, wet. And sometimes I do like to put some cleanser on the Ariel as well if I didn't get enough on my face. Okay, after I'm going to go in with my cleanser, I'm going to take my serum. This is the ITK Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And I like to keep it in my little mini skincare fridge, which is this right here. While I let that kind of soak into the skin, I like to do other things like brush my teeth or put deodorant on and stuff like that. Okay, before my moisturizer, I like to go in with my eye cream. So I'm going to use the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. I'm going to use the daytime side. Okay, then I'm going to go into my ITK Prebiotic Gel Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to put on my sunscreen. So I go through, I switch between different sunscreens all the time. Today I'm going to use the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen. I do have the sample size of it. After using that, the sample size, I actually really like it, and I think I'm going to buy the full because it's such a great sunscreen. So I like to apply an under eye mask in the mornings, kind of like right when I wake up, because it really helps to depuff, and it kind of also helps me to wake up. But I wanted to save it for this video, so I'm going to use the Dermalogica, I think that's what it is, brightening eye masks. I never really got like how to place them really well. I don't know. I mean, so far I think I'm doing it right, but I don't know. It has a little scoop thing. The scoop really does make it easier to pick up the eye mask. And sometimes I really do really like to apply these right before I do my makeup, but not all the time. So I leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Today I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes. And then I'm also going to apply my ITK Nourishing Lip Balm. These two start sliding off. Oh no. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!